Have you ever wondered how to earn money while you sleep? Picture this. You're in the comfort of your own home, or perhaps traveling the world, and your bank account keeps growing. You're not selling your own product, nor are you tied to a 9-to-5 job. You're simply leveraging the power of the internet to generate income. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, a realm where you can turn your passions into profit. But what exactly is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's a process where you, as an affiliate, promote a company's product or service. When someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. Companies gain visibility and sales, and you get a slice of the profit. Affiliate marketing is a versatile and scalable business model. It doesn't matter if you're a blogger, an influencer, or an avid social media user. It doesn't matter if you're passionate about beauty products, tech gadgets, or online courses. There's a place for everyone in this landscape, and there's a product for every interest. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its potential for passive income. Think of it as planting a seed. Initially, you'll need to invest time and effort into finding the right product, creating engaging content, and promoting your affiliate link. But once you've set everything up, you can sit back and watch as the sales roll in. Yes, affiliate marketing requires work, but it also offers freedom. Freedom to work from anywhere, to set your own hours, to choose the products you want to promote. And most importantly, the freedom to generate income around the clock. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and the desire to succeed. So, ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing? Ready to turn your dreams of earning passive income into reality? It's time to unlock your potential, to take control of your financial future, and to start living the life you've always wanted. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's affiliate marketing. First things first, you need to choose your niche. A niche is essentially the specific category or area of interest that your affiliate marketing efforts will focus on. Think of it as your playground where you'll be connecting products or services with the right audience. Choosing a niche isn't just about picking a random topic. It's about aligning your affiliate marketing journey with your personal interests and expertise. Why, you ask? Well, it's simple. When you choose a niche that you're passionate about, you'll naturally be more invested and likely to put in the effort needed to succeed. Plus, your enthusiasm and knowledge will shine through your content, making it more engaging, authentic, and persuasive. Now, let's talk about the importance of choosing the right niche. A well-chosen niche can be the difference between a successful affiliate marketing venture and one that falls flat. You want a niche that's popular enough to attract a significant audience, but not so saturated that you're drowned out by the competition. Here's a quick tip. Consider niches that solve problems or fulfill needs. People are always on the lookout for solutions, and if you can provide them, you're on the right track. Let's take a look at some examples of popular niches. Health and fitness, for instance, is a vast niche with numerous sub-niches like diet plans, workout routines, or mental health. Tech is another big one, with sub-niches ranging from gadget reviews to software tips. Lifestyle, fashion, personal finance, travel, the list goes on. Each of these niches has its unique audience and opportunities for affiliate marketing. So how do you choose your niche? Start by making a list of your interests and areas of expertise. Then do some research to see which of these have potential for affiliate marketing. Look for niches with a good balance of popularity and competition, and plenty of products or services you can promote. Remember, the key here is to choose something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This way, you'll enjoy the process, and your motivation will stay high, driving you towards success in your affiliate marketing journey. Find your niche, and you'll be one step closer to unlocking the potential of affiliate marketing. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to find the right affiliate program. So what is an affiliate program, you might ask? Well, think of it as the middleman in your affiliate marketing journey. These programs connect you, the affiliate marketer, with brands and companies that have products or services to sell. Your role is to promote these products, and in return, you earn a commission on every sale made through your unique referral link. Now, how do you choose the right affiliate program? The answer lies in 3 key factors: the product's relevance to your niche, the commission rate, and the program's reputation. Let's talk about relevance first. The product you're promoting should align with your chosen niche. If you're in the fitness niche, for example, promoting health supplements would make sense. But promoting software products, Not so much. The closer the product is to your niche, the higher the chances of your audience finding value in it and making a purchase. Next up is the commission rate. This is the percentage of the sale price you'll receive as your cut. While it's tempting to go for programs that offer high commission rates, remember that a high commission doesn't always equate to high profits. Sometimes a product with a lower commission rate but a higher conversion rate can bring in more earnings. Lastly, consider the reputation of the affiliate program. Do your due diligence and research about the program. Look for reviews and testimonials from other affiliates. Have they been paid on time? Is the program's customer service responsive and helpful? These are things you'll want to know before you sign up. Some examples of popular and reputable affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. These platforms offer a wide range of products across various niches, giving you the flexibility to choose products that best fit your audience's interests and needs. So take your time, do your research, and find the program that's right for you. Remember, the success of your affiliate marketing journey hinges on the choices you make today. Choose wisely, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful affiliate marketer. With your niche and program in hand, now comes the fun part: creating engaging content. Now, why is content so crucial? In the realm of affiliate marketing, content is your most potent tool. It's the bridge that connects your audience with the products or services you're promoting. It's your voice, your brand, and your sales pitch all rolled into one. So, how do you create compelling content? Well, firstly, know your audience. Understand their needs, desires, and pain points. Tailor your content to provide solutions to their problems, answer their questions, or simply entertain them. This approach ensures that your content resonates with your audience, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Secondly, focus on quality over quantity. It's better to produce one piece of high-quality content that captures your audience's attention and encourages them to click on your affiliate links, than to churn out multiple pieces of subpar content. Thirdly, diversify your content. Don't limit yourself to just blog posts or articles. Experiment with videos, podcasts, infographics, or even webinars. Different types of content appeal to different types of audiences, so it's worth exploring various formats. Fourthly, incorporate storytelling into your content. Stories are powerful tools that can make your content more engaging, relatable, and memorable. They can help you build a strong connection with your audience, which is crucial for affiliate marketing success. Lastly, but most importantly, be authentic. Authenticity breeds trust, and trust drives conversions. Don't try to sell a product or service you don't believe in. Your audience can smell insincerity a mile away. Instead, promote products or services that you genuinely think will benefit your audience. Remember, your content is the vehicle that drives traffic to your affiliate links, so make it count. It's not just about selling a product or service. It's about providing value, building relationships, and establishing yourself as a trusted source of information. So, put your heart and soul into creating content that resonates with your audience, and the results will follow. You've got your niche, your program, and your content. Now, it's time to promote your affiliate links. Strategic placement of your affiliate links within your content is crucial. Whether it's a blog post, a video description, or a social media post, make sure your links are not just thrown in haphazardly. They should fit naturally within the context of your content, providing value for your audience and making it easy for them to make a purchase. Next, harness the power of SEO techniques. By optimizing your content with targeted keywords, you can increase its visibility on search engines, driving more traffic to your site and thus more potential conversions. Don't forget about email marketing. A well-crafted newsletter can help you engage with your audience on a deeper level, providing them with valuable content and subtly promoting your affiliate links. Lastly, utilize social media promotions. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are powerful tools for reaching a wider audience and driving traffic to your site. With the right strategies, you can reach a wider audience and maximize your earnings. And there you have it, folks. That's your roadmap to launch your own affiliate marketing business. We've covered how to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. We've explored how to find the right affiliate program that offers a diverse range of products and services. We've stressed the importance of creating engaging, authentic content that resonates with your target audience. And we've discussed how to promote your affiliate links strategically, utilizing SEO techniques, email marketing, and social media promotions. Remember, this journey is as much about consistency, patience, and creativity as it is about the steps we've outlined. The world of affiliate marketing is vast, and the potential benefits are many. You have the opportunity to earn while you sleep, to connect eager customers with products they love, and to let your entrepreneurial spirit soar. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step today and start your journey in affiliate marketing.